is
Ankling.
ankling. So the thing is, you have to leave your heel. That's all. Leave your heel up and down. So
Okay,
push from your heel.
sure. Your toes are mostly on the ground.
On the
You're just
ground
pushing
and-
up from the heel.
So you have to
And arm
engage your
movement.
glute.
Engage the
Engage your
glute,
glute.
move your arms,
Yeah.
and upper body straight.
Upper body straight and push.
Your knees bend up and down. Okay,
So before touching the ground, you have to leave. So push, 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 push. Think about the 180. It's not a
Medium, high knee.
Yeah, it's not a high knee. It's some sort of ankle plus closing the knee angle.
okay.
Focus on closing the knee angle. It's not a lifting. So you don't have to use your hip flexor to bring this thing up. You just focus to close the knee angle. Knee angle. So it's like this. So you can take from the side. So my whole focus is to close the knee angle.
Here you're lifting the feet. Basically, toes are off the ground. The rest of it is the same. Therefore,
So,
the
this
knee is becoming an acute angle.
Yeah, this is the second phase of ankling, you can say. Some
Okay,
sort
okay,
of.
this is-
So we used to do the ankling with the lifting the heel, but the next stage is just to close a little bit.
Got it, got it, got it.
Leave your heel and close. Leave it and close. This one is. That one is some sort of injury prevention and neurocircuiting. This is called cross leg. Like if we used to run in the curve and all,
Yeah.
there's a higher chance to get injury. So ankle twisting and all.
So leg crossing.
Leg cross. So the thing is, one,
Okay.
one, two, one, two, one, two.
So here you're using the IT band.
Yeah. While doing this thing, you are using the pinky fingers and the snapping power of the ligament. So it's not touching like this. So use the outer side of your foot to create a force.
Okay.
One, two, one, two. Leg switch.
Leg swing.
Leg switch.
Switch.
Yeah. Leg
Leg
switch.
switch.
You don't have to bring up your leg in front of your center of mass. It should stay inside. Use your inner thigh
Okay, using the
to
inner
push
thigh.
your leg back, which is work on your cadence, stride length, sorry. The thing is, so leg straight almost and push backward.
You're
Use your
pushing backward as
huh.
opposed to forwards. Okay.
Yeah. Forward thrust and push.
Got it.
What one is some sort of, this is an American football drill they used to call. Then this is an foot tapping. If you are not engaging the muscle, it doesn't have any make sense. So your quad should engage, half squat, glute activate, bring up your hand here, lock, calf raise and tap.
Okay.
So foot tapping. 6-1 is butt kick.
Okay. This is the tough one.
Butt kick.
Butt
Just
kick.
imagine you have a one string, elastic string, attached but towards the end of your hip. Just imaginary. If we are extended out while bringing up, automatically it will
Snaps
pull
back.
up. Yeah. That's the same analogy we are going to follow. So both of the bends are extending out, so it should bring out automatically.
But this looks like high knee.
But it has a huge difference. High knee, like butt kick, it has a close angle in the knee. High knee, it will bring it. In high knee, like the angle of the knee is open. In butt kick, it's closed. So, snapping back.
Maximum
Chalo,
high knee.
Last one is the maximum high knee. The thing is, you don't have to bring the leg up. You have to push the ground. Automatically, it will bounce back high.
Okay.
The whole goal is to put a pressure towards the ground.
Okay. Focus on
So,
pushing the ground.
Push, 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 push.
All right. Mountain
Mountain
climbers.
climber. So the thing is, your knee level है ना, जो Hadrasa.
Okay.
It's not like this.
Your palms in line with the knee.
Straight out, glute tight,
Glute tight,
forward,
plank position.
and push. It's not like this. It's not like this. So you don't have to exaggerate to bring the knee all the way. It's all about the speed. Pull, push. It's same with the butt kick. Same process with the butt kick. You have to stabilize your core, move forward,